Hello and welcome everyone. Our today's question is populate in order successor for all nodes. So this question is pretty simple. We have a binary tree and in the node class we have three pointers left and right. You are familiar with this. Next we have next pointer. So we have to initialize this next pointer. Initially it is null and we have to initialize this next pointer or we can say populate according to in order successor. So let's find out in order successor. So what is in order? First left node, then right. So first we traverse left side, then traverse left side, then traverse left side. So its left is null, then traverse its node. So then we have 7. Then next go to right side. Then left node, node means print or in order traversal, then traverse right side. Then we have 2. So then 2 node, then 2's right, then node 1, then it's right, then left, then left, then node 10, then right, then node 5, then right, then left node, then right. So this is the in order traversal and we have to populate its next pointer. So I am marking with blue marker. So 7 next will point to 9 and 9 next will point to 2, 2's next will point to 1, 1 next will point to 10, 10 next will point to 5 and 5 next will point to 9. So that's how we have to populate the next pointer. So in this we will use previous pointer, previous node. So initially it is null. So then we traverse in order traversal. So we go to left, then we go to left, then its left is null. Then we have this node. So we check is previous not null. So then only we initialize previous next pointer. So initially it is null. Then we have starting as this node. So 7 as a node. So 7 is done. Then 7 we will go to right side. Then we have this node. So its left is null. Then it's node 10. So 7. So we will populate 7 next pointer to 9. So we have populated 7 next pointer. Now we change our previous pointer. Now previous having 9. Now the next node is 2. So populate 9 next pointer to 2. Then change your previous pointer. Now it is having 2 as a node. Then traverse. Then this is done. Then we are traversing in order. The next node occur will 1. So populate 2's next to 1 and change your previous pointer. So we have changed this. So this is also done. Now next node will occur 9, 10. So we will populate 1 next to 10. So this is done. Next node, so we change previous node with 10. Our next node is 5. So we will populate previous node to current node. So previous node to current node, this. So then we change our previous node. So previous node now pointing to 5. So the next node is 9. So populate 5 next to 9. 5 next to 9. Now previous having 9. Now we have successfully populated the next pointer. So that's the approach. Let's jump into the coding part. So initialize your previous pointer with null value, then traverse in order. So in order, if root is null, we don't have to do anything. So in order, we have to first go to left side, then do our work. So what is the work we have to do? If previous is not null, then populate previous next pointer to current node, root node. then change your previous pointer to this current node, then traverse right hand side. So that's the approach. So its time complexity is order of n because we are traversing in all nodes, and space complexity, if we include stack space, then it is height of n, and if we don't include stack space, it is constant. And if you like this video, a click on the subscribe button is appreciated, and thank you all for watching this video.